Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the relation between full subtractor and the half subtractor. To know more about the full subtractor and half subtractor, you can go through our videos which I have uploaded in our channel. So today to know relation between the full subtractor and half subtractor, first we need to know the difference, expression for the difference in full subtractor and half subtractor, and expression for the barrow in full subtractor and half subtractor. Okay, to know the relation we need to draw the logical diagram for the full subtractor by using the half subtractor. So let's draw that. First take the inputs as a, b and c. First take the ab, and to obtain the difference in half subtractor, let us construct the XOR gate between a and b. We get a XOR b. To obtain the barrow, let us take the a and construct a NOT logic, which is an inverter. It inverts the a into a bar, inverts the a input. So if we construct the AND gate between a bar and b, we get a bar b, which is nothing but the barrow in half subtractor. Now take the input c as, let us take from here for the better understanding, let us take this as an input, so this c as an input. So if we construct the XOR gate between a XOR b and c, we will get a XOR b XOR c, which is nothing but the expression for difference in full subtractor. So construct the XOR gate between a XOR b and c, we will get a XOR b XOR c, which is nothing but difference in the full subtractor. Now construct the, let us take a XOR b. To obtain the barrow, a XOR b is inverted, so let us construct the NOT logic, then we will get a XOR b, which is inverted, right? Now construct the AND logic between a XOR b whole bar and c. So by using this c, we can construct the AND logic. Will get a XOR b whole bar dot c, and by using, so this, okay, we got this expression, right? This expression is operated this in the between these two expressions there is a OR logic, right? So this expression is nothing but barrow in half subtractor, that is a bar b, which we got already, and this is ORed with this expression. This is applied the OR logic. Just apply the OR logic between these two expressions, we get the this barrow expression in full subtractor. Okay, let us do that. If we construct the OR gate between these two, we will get a XOR b whole bar dot c plus a bar b, which is nothing but, this is nothing but, it is the barrow expression in the full subtractor. So we got the difference expression in full subtractor, and also we got the barrow expression in full subtractor by using the half subtractors. If you see here, this is one half subtractor, this is one half subtractor with inputs a and b. If you see here, this is one half subtractor, this is one half subtractor with inputs a XOR b and c. If you see here, this we took a XOR b, and here we took another variable, that is c. So it is the with inputs a XOR b and c. So from this, and this is the OR logic, right? This is a OR logic gate. So from this logical diagram, we can say that one full subtractor is equals to two half subtractors plus one OR logic, OR gate, right? So from the above logical diagram, we can say that one full subtractor is equals to two half subtractors plus one OR logic. So this is the relation between the full subtractor and the half subtractor, which is very important for further solving the questions. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more videos in digital electronics, you can go through our channel. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.